Roxy, and today I'm here with
Cricci Cricci!
Actually, wait, another.
What?
I wanna do it differently.
Okay.
So hi everyone, my name is Pineapple, and today I'm here with
Tablecloth! No. What are we doing?
It makes sense. I mean, it's yellow. And why are we here today?
Because we're gonna eat as usual.
As usual, cause today or recently.
Well, not today. Recently, the new menu from
VEGGIE GRILL came out! And so we are
It's
super
a summer
excited.
menu.
It's super excited.
It's really hot.
It's hot.
So we're gonna eat it.
We're gonna eat it. We're hungry. We're
Yes,
ready.
It's one, so it's prime time for eating.
Exactly.
So we're excited.
Get something to eat and eat with us.
Right.
And tell us what you're eating. Fantastic. And let's start. Woo! Okay, let's start with summer artichoke flatbread. Artichoke spread. Crispy artichoke, grape tomatoes,
perfect.
radish, vegan bacon, arugula.
Oh, nice.
Cheese! Oh my gosh, good!
Nice, no. The artichoke cream is really good.
Yeah, the vegan bacon is perfect.
Really, it's nice.
3, 2, 1, 9!
Twins!
We are twins! Okay, explain yours. Today I'm gonna explain well why it's 9 for me. Go.
It's nice because all the flavors go really well. I like the bacon with the smokiness of the bacon with the delicate artichokes flavors. A lot of flavors, but all of them go together. So very flavorful, which I always like, but everything is very harmonic. And also the bread is crispy. I like that.
For me it's 9 because it's amazing! No, it's 9 because it smells good. As soon as you open it, it's like overwhelming, amazing smell. The flavors go really well together. I love artichokes, and I think the artichoke spread with the vegan bacon is awesome.
Oh, it goes really well.
Woo! Now we're gonna eat the steakhouse burger. So Beyond Burger,
Thank you, Leo!
provolone cheese, steakhouse sauce, vegan bacon, tomato, iceberg lettuce, blue cheese dressing,
I like that.
cracked pepper,
Yes.
brioche bun and crispy fries. Chin cheese! Team Roxy if you put the fries in the burger. Yum!
I'm kind of confused. Okay, I gave it a 7 because I think I don't like the steakhouse sauce. I like that this time they added the cheese. The blue cheese is nice. Everything is nice, but I think I would like it better if it didn't have the steakhouse sauce. If I may,
Sure.
think that the steakhouse sauce is, in other words, a barbecue sauce.
Because it tastes like barbecue.
And you don't like it.
And I don't like barbecue sauce.
So that may be why.
Yeah.
For me, it was an 8 because it's kind of it's like the same idea as the flatbread before. There's like a lot of flavors that somehow kind of go together because it's like the blue cheese is from that previous burger, and then the steakhouse sauce and the bacon were flavors from that other burger. So it feels to me like they've combined the two burgers and it works. So it's like a bonus for flavor because there's more, but it's not too much because things kind of go together. So, but I still prefer. I like the Lucky Strike burger because I think the bun is also different. That has a pretzel bun.
You like the pretzel bun more. Me too.
Yeah.
Next! Now we're gonna try the summer celebration salad. This is barbecue, grilled chicken, purple potato, summer quinoa, fire roasted corn. It's not normal corn. It's not just roasted. It's roasted with the fire. Tomato salad with baby lettuce and yogurt ranch dressing.
I'm not a big fan of ranch usually.
We're gonna deal.
Hopefully it's on the side.
Because I'm gonna get the barbecue grilled chicken and you're gonna get the ranch. She's like, oh, let me check if it's barbecue sauce. If she's eating it all.
I'm not sure if it's barbecue sauce.
Sure.
That's why I keep. It's very hot.
It's an orange. I'm gonna try this purple potato. It tastes weird.
Look how purple it is.
I'm confused, guys, about all these flavors. I can't tell what anything tastes
know what they taste like.
It tastes like this olive thing.
Like
Literally.
olives?
Yeah, because there are olives. There are green olives. Also, I'm team black olives. Team Roxy. Okay, no. Okay,
how
mix
it's
is
made.
better. 3, 2, 1,
5!
6! I was about to say 5.
Okay.
No, because, so, don't even try to try each
Don't
section.
even try to try.
No, because it doesn't make sense. Like, each
It's
part
confusing.
is super confusing. When you mix it all, it gets to a 6 for me. But I can't tell you what it tastes like.
I don't know, I haven't had enough of it mixed to understand. But
It's a confusing dish.
it's confusing, and for me it's a 5 because I would only really order this if I'm starving and there is nothing else to eat on the planet.
For me, it's a 6 because if one day it's hot and I wanna feel healthy, I might get this, but don't ask me what it tastes
There's
like.
so many other bowls on the menu. Are you gonna really get this?
I like ranch. I like the ranch part. I'm just confused when I eat each section because it doesn't make sense to me. Because the quinoa tastes like oranges.
Right.
The chicken is super spicy, but it doesn't taste like barbecue. The potato doesn't taste like potatoes.
Or olives.
And so I'm confused. But when you mix it all, it has like this ranchy taste that
I'm
is
still
good.
trying it now that it's all mixed, and to be honest, it hasn't really changed. It's still confusing to me.
It's still confusing
trying,
to
but-
me too, but I'll give it a 6. Next! Filipino chicken adobo ball. Braised chicken adobo,
Okay.
cilantro brown rice, Chinese long beans with goji berries, roasted tomatoes, pickled cucumber, shishito peppers.
Oh!
Your favorite! Have you tried the adobo ball before?
No.
So the adobo ball is a maybe it's the most famous Filipino dish.
Okay.
I tried it many times.
Good for you.
And it's basically it's
What
braised
makes it
chicken.
what makes it adobo?
They braise it with soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and all these spices. So
Okay.
it's a really particular taste.
Okay.
I tried it before. I'm curious to see if it tastes the same.
Oh, look at that.
Para, pa. Yeah.
Shishito!
Cheers! Shishito, cheers! So, guys, you have to understand that in the Filipino cuisine, usually, the meat part, so this is vegan but it's the same, is very, very flavorful.
Okay.
While the rice is more like less flavorful, so you have to mix it. Because
Okay.
if you eat this alone, it's gonna be too...
So you're taking this laurel out, so can
Yes.
I chew on it?
Ah, chin cheese.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
I like it.
It smells like, it tastes like it's raised in like wine almost, and but also kind of tastes like soy.
No, it's garlic, soy sauce,
Garlic.
vinegar,
Oh, vinegar maybe.
and
That's why it tastes like wine.
yeah, there is some. I don't remember all the spices. Well, there is laurel.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, 9!
Wow! Yes, I was really undecided between 9 and 10.
Okay.
But I was thinking that, are we almost done? There's like one side dish.
One more.
So I-
the
well,
cake
the
and the
cake.
corn.
So I was thinking that if I give it 9 to the
Flatbread.
flatbread, then if I give it 9 to
Yes,
this
right,
too,
this
there
one
wouldn't
should
have
be
been a
10.
10. And this I enjoyed a lot. So for this menu, it was a 10. But
Nice.
even in general, it's definitely a strong 9
Yeah.
for all of the menus
Yes.
across the board. But it's for this menu specifically, because I think we're almost done. It's the 10 of the menu.
I haven't given a 10 yet. Maybe you're right. This should have been a 10, but I said 9.
But now you can change. I'm sorry.
I can change it. So it's a 9. I really like it. I think I like adobo, the real one too. I think the way they cook this vegan chicken is amazing. It really tastes like the adobo that I know.
Let's try again.
And I like that these veggies that they added, it really tastes good, and it's adding something to the adobo dish. So 9. Okay, now the char grilled street corn bowl.
Yes.
Easier to eat version of charred grilled street corn
Right.
with chipotle mayo.
That's the corn on the cob
Yeah,
that we've already had in other dishes in the past videos. It's basically the same recipe.
but in a bowl.
It's not in the cob. It's
Yeah. With chipotle mayo, veggie parmesan, Mexico City spices, cilantro, and fresh lime. Ta-da! Queso parmesano. I le fettuccini.
E
Cinci. Oh wow, I like this. 3, 2, 1, 10! Yes, this is my 10, guys! It's my 10 because it's flavorful, it's a little spicy, it's not too spicy, it's creamy,
and it's easy to eat.
I
think I already said why.
Perfect. Next! So this is the new strawberry dream cake. Cheese! Oh, brutal. 3, 2, 1, 9! For me it's a 9. I love sweets and I love this kind of cakes like the lemon cake or the strawberry cake. I like it. I like the lemon one a little bit more, but this is still a 9. In fact, the lemon one was a 10 and this is a 9, so it's perfect.
I didn't remember what you gave to the lemon cake. I'm not a big cake person, as you all know, I think. Tell me down below if you knew. Or not, it doesn't matter. But it was good. It has a really good cake flavor, but overall, it's maybe the strawberry part is like a little too sweet. I don't know. It's okay though. Okay.
So
in fact, I'm gonna have another piece.
I wanna know which one is your favorite of all.
Me.
Yes.
Of course the adobo.
The adobo for me is the corn, I think.
I mean, even the flatbread, but the adobo was a really the sauce that I'd never tried before with the with this yanny. It was really good.
Okay.
I have to say.
For me, it's this one because I like how in the bowl they put more cream on top, so it's more creamy overall than when it was in the other. So possibly, I really like it like this.
Good for the corn.
Good for you. And outro. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Let us know which one was your favorite dish.
Right.
And now you should
all the ones that I like.
And you should go to Cristina's channel because
come on by.
How many subscribers do you have?
1,000 something.
She needs more.
Let's get it to 2,000.
Yeah. Yes. And also comment her latest video with the word
tablecloth. Whatever I said at the beginning.
Say that one. And also, I think by the time this video is up, I have a Patreon! And Cristina is one of those people who really like pushed me to open a Patreon.
But in a gentle way.
In a gentle way, yes.
So yeah, so after you come by to my channel, then make sure you go to her Patreon.
Yes! I'm so excited. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all of your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv.
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.